Pumpkin seed benefits for men's health. These crunchy, bite-sized seeds from the pumpkin fruit are accessible all year and are rich with nutrients that can help men's health. Pumpkin seeds are a man's greatest ally when it comes to prostate health, male fertility, and plant-based protein consumption. They are recognized to have several health-promoting characteristics in addition to having a pleasing flavor. Here are some ways that pumpkin seeds boost men's health. 1. Improves prostate health. Pumpkin seed consumption can improve prostate health, which is critical for male sexual health. They are a popular supplement for men who want to strengthen their prostate gland and improve their hormone function. Pumpkin seeds also aid in the treatment of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Several studies have indicated that eating pumpkin seeds on a daily basis can help lessen the symptoms of BPH. 2. Increases male fertility. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds, is beneficial to men's health. Low zinc levels have been linked to poor sperm quality and possibly infertility in males. Incorporating these seeds into one's everyday diet may assist to increase sperm quality. Healthy testosterone levels may also be influenced by the antioxidant content in pumpkin seeds. 3. Increases the amount of plant-based protein in your diet. Pumpkin seeds are high in protein, which is necessary for muscle growth and repair. A 100-gram serving of pumpkin seeds contains roughly 23.33 grams of protein. For a quick protein boost, toss some pumpkin seeds into any meal or snack. Here are some other important benefits of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain a lot of natural oil. Because nuts and seeds have a high oil content, one would assume that regular ingestion of nuts and seeds would raise the risk of weight gain. A recent study revealed that persons who eat the most nuts and seeds were actually less obese. Because pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, they promote cell regeneration, repair damage, and promote healthy hair. These seeds are also a good source of phosphorus, which helps to boost your metabolism and provides energy. Pumpkin seeds are also high in magnesium, which is necessary for a variety of physiological activities such as heart beating, blood vessel relaxing, and smooth bowel function. Anti-inflammatory effects are also found in pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are high in tryptophan, which aids sleep and reduces sadness. It is critical for men of all ages to take greater responsibility for their health. To help your body grow and feel your best, add pumpkin seeds in your diet on a regular basis. Be sure to like, subscribe,